All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Fit IT Guy. Today I have some carbon fiber camera covers from Yeslac, and we're just gonna add a little bit more carbon today to the car. We have the carbon fiber mirror covers, we have the carbon fiber spoiler, we have some carbon fiber inside the car, but we're gonna add a little bit more exterior carbon fiber. You can get these for 25% off with my code TFIG on yeslac.com. So these are a super easy install. You can see here some nice glossy carbon fiber. They do have these in matte carbon as well. And my favorite thing, as you know, the tape is pre-applied. That's the most important thing. So we're gonna step over to the camera there and we're gonna put these camera covers on. We're just gonna clean them off with the adhesion promoter that they gave us and go from there. All right, so we're gonna start with the right side camera cover first. I'm just gonna take the adhesion promoter that they gave us. I'm gonna wipe down actually both camera areas before this dries out. I'll wipe down this one and then I'm gonna wipe down the other side. And we're just gonna test fit it here. And you can tell if it's a good quality carbon, if it sits just from the test fit without having to use tape. So it's perfectly molded. We know it's gonna fit great. So now I'm just gonna take off the tape here. And as we know, the tape with the red backing is always the hardest to get off. And once we take off the tape backing here, we're basically just gonna stick on the camera covers. All right, after many countless minutes, you can see we have the red tape backing off. And we can now just put this on and make sure to stick it all the way back first before we attach it to the camera here. Get a perfect stick. We'll apply some pressure for about 30 seconds here. That way it can really adhere nice and good. There we go. It is on there now. Just like that, and it looks so freaking good, especially next to the carbon fiber mirror cover here. It just looks amazing. All right, we're doing the other side here now. We're in the shade to get a little bit of a different view here. And just go ahead and put this on. Same thing, we're gonna get the top corner in first. And once it looks pretty aligned, we're going to push it down from there. So it looks aligned. Now we're just gonna put some pressure on it for about 30 seconds to a minute. And there we go, it is all done. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this quick and simple, easy carbon fiber cover install for the cameras here. Again, this is from Yeslac. You can save 25% off with my code TFIG. Basically cuts the price in a quarter from the original price. So I'm so amazed with how cheap carbon fiber pieces are for Teslas in general. You know, I've had cars before. I've had a Porsche Boxster. I've had 3 Ducatis now. And carbon fiber is just so expensive for anything that's European. So for an American car, I guess because there's just so many Teslas, they can mass produce the carbon and create it at such a cheap price. I'm really surprised with how cheap carbon fiber is, so I'm really just gonna deck the car out in carbon. And it's just gonna look awesome. And these are just accent pieces, nothing big. I'm not doing the whole hood in carbon fiber or something crazy like that. Again, I hope you guys enjoy and stay tuned for the next video. I have a lot more carbon fiber and other videos coming up. Please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned.